Well, what it looks like we have here is a drunk cicada, or a locust, whatever you want to call it. Been buzzing around the lights for a while. Crashed and burned. I don't know if he's still alive or not. I don't really want to find out. I'm pretty damn close to him. I go poke him with something. Sure, I got something to poke him with. Let's see here. That'll be nice. Little Scotch Brite pad. Ah, he's still alive. Put up a fight. I just burned his eyes. There he is. It's an ugly son of a bitch, ain't it? He says, "What are you doing to me?" He's gonna go eat my grinder or something. Yeah, he's crawling into the dark spot now. Wounded or something. I don't know what his problem is. Surprised I haven't had a bat in here tonight. Saw a little mouse earlier. Do I get him with the big clamp? I want to kill them. They probably do us some good somewhere. Let's see here. Get some light, and there we go. You're ugly. That's for sure. And they probably don't like to hear that he's ugly, but okay. I'll leave him be.